Hello everyone, today we make Snickers cake. Snickers cake, one of the best cakes you can make in your buffet menu to your kids, your children, passenger, anyone. They will fall in love from first sight. Snickers cake from A to Z together. Just keep to the end of the video and you'll know how to make this really tasty caramelized hazelnut, peanuts roasted, and all details to make this perfect cake. If this is first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Yunus. I promise you will be always tuned. 115 gram butter, we keep it in the microwave to melt. 125 gram all-purpose flour, 50 gram cocoa powder, 170 gram sugar, 6 gram baking powder, 3 gram baking soda, 125 milli fresh milk, and 2 eggs. We melted the butter in microwave, then all liquid item. Anyway, I will keep the all ingredients in description box below. So all liquid, fresh milk, melted butter, 2 eggs. We mix all together. Then we add 170 gram sugar. So easy, so simple recipe. Then we added cocoa powder or cacao powder. Then flour with baking powder and baking soda. Again, let's say the whole ingredients to the people in Facebook. 125 gram all-purpose flour, 50 gram cacao powder, 170 gram sugar, 6 gram baking powder, 3 gram baking soda, pinch of salt, 115 gram melted butter, 125 milli fresh milk, 2 eggs. Then 1 cake ring, 24 centimeter. You pour in the ring and preheat the oven 10 minutes before you bake. You preheat the oven 180 degrees 10 minutes before you bake the cake. We bake 180 for 30 to 35 minutes. Then we make the caramelize. The caramel, salted caramel, very easy. 200 gram sugar, 45 gram butter, 125 fresh cream. So the original recipe or the original way, you caramelize the sugar, then you added the fresh cream, then you added the butter. But I discovered this way is so easy. Here, sea salt, 1 gram sea salt, 100 gram roasted peanut. So I discovered that to melt fresh cream with butter, it's so easy when it's caramelized to mix the sauce and becomes harmony without any lumps. You can see after 3-4 minutes the sugar becomes caramelized. You stir all the time to have the same consistency. When it becomes light golden, you can see some lumps. You keep stirring until it becomes really smooth, soft caramel. When you have dark golden color, this color is still open. As you see, dark brown. Then I pour fresh cream mixed with butter. You can see it will never get lumps, and it will be so smoothly perfect sauce caramel. Then I added the salt. I like flax salt. Then 100-gram roasted peanut. My sauce is ready. Let's keep aside to calm down. My cake also is ready. I open it. You adjust the same height. Then you cut it into half, 2 layers. Here we go. You must have accurate hand to cut all layers is the same. You can see still hot. I wait until cool down. Then I bring the cake upside down. The top will be the bottom. Then I make syrup from fresh milk. That's it. Only milk, no sugar. And that give the cake moist. We don't added any sugar to the milk because the salted caramel is really sweet. We put half the mixture inside the first layer. We spread with a spatula. Equal amount on the cake. Then we press the second layer to be sure that it's sticky. Again, we soak with fresh milk. And pour the rest of the mixture and spread on top of the cake equally. Now we have a perfect peanut salted caramel and your Snickers cake ready. All you need, you keep it 5 hours in the fridge before you cut and serve it to your friend. Snickers cakes with all details. Thanks for being my channel, Ahmad Yuris. Please make subscribe if this first time, make like and leave comment. See you soon.